Hello class, welcome back to your computer class. So kids, in our last video we were discussing about Microsoft Word. Okay, and with the help of your book we have completed also some of the things. Okay, but today again I'm going to give you a quick recall of the things that we found there in MS Word. MS Word में जो छोटी छोटी सी चीजें, छोटे छोटे से कंपोनेंट हमें मिलते हैं, I'm going to explain you that. Okay, now let us start. Microsoft Word. So what is Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word actually is a word processing component. It's a what? Word processing component of Microsoft Office Suite. Word processing means what? The software with the help of which you can process your word. Process means you can edit your word, you can change your word, you can change your document, you can write, you can add pictures, you can make it bold. So there are lots of things that you can do with the help of word processors. So what is Microsoft? Microsoft is one of the word processor. Microsoft is what? It is one of the word processor, and it is made by Microsoft Corporation. It is owned by Microsoft Corporation. Okay. Now, Microsoft Word is primarily used to enter, edit, format, save, retrieve, and print document. Okay, so what is the main function of Microsoft Word? It is used to enter, edit, format, save, retrieve, and print the document. Okay. Okay, so these are some of the objective. Okay, now. See, so here are what the first thing that we have to know about Microsoft Word is the screen component. Screen component means when you will switch on your computer, and when you will open the Microsoft Word, what is the first screen that looks like? So the opening screen for Microsoft 2010 looks like this. See, this is what? This is the opening screen, है ना? हमारा भी Microsoft Word कैसा दिखता है? कुछ इसी तरह का दिखता है ना? ऊपर हमारे पास ढेर सारे टैब्स होते हैं, यहाँ पे फिर रिबन्स होते हैं, है ना? तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड हमारा भी कैसा दिखता है? कुछ इसी तरह का हमें भी नजर आता है. ओके, now next is terminology. So what are the different terminology associated with Microsoft Word? While different version have different appearances, they all have most of the same features. If you know what to call it, you should be able to find it in the other version. Okay? Moving ahead. So here the area outlined is called the title bar. So here the area outlined is called the title bar. Okay. It displays the name of the open program and the name of the current file. सो द एरिया आउटलाइन, देखो यहाँ पे ऊपर आपको दिख रहा होगा एक आउटलाइन, रेड आउटलाइन एरिया. लेट मी शो यू दिस एरिया. This is what? This is a red outline area and we call it title bar. This is called the title bar. Name of the program displays here. यहाँ पे हमें क्या दिखता है? अपने प्रोग्राम का नेम दिखता है. Okay? It displays the name of the open program. Whatever the program is open on the screen, it displays the name of that program. This file document word Microsoft Word. This file has not yet been saved, so its name is what? document1. तो देखो ये फाइल अभी सेव नहीं हुई है, इस वजह से क्या है, इसका नाम देखो document1 के नाम से है. मैंने आपको दिखाया है ना फाइल सेव करके, जब हम फाइल सेव करते हैं तो उसका नेम क्या होता है, उसका नेम चेंज हो जाता है हमारी स्क्रीन पे. जब हम फाइल क्या करते हैं, जब भी हम क्या करते हैं, जब भी हम कोई डॉक्यूमेंट सेव करते हैं तो उसका नाम हमारी स्क्रीन पे क्या हो जाता है, चेंज हो जाता है ना. फाइल क्रिएटेड इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड आर ऑफन रेफर्ड टू एज द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड हैव द फाइल एक्सटेंशन ऑफ डॉट डॉक और डॉक्स. ठीक है, डीओसी और डॉट डॉक्स, इन दोनों में से एक क्या होता है, फाइल एक्सटेंशन होता है. ठीक है, ओके. लेट अस मूव अहेड नाउ. Okay, so here they are telling us about the minimize, maximize and restore button. So after telling us about the title bar, तो ये लोग हमें क्या है, they were telling us about the title bar. तो after telling us about the title bar, now they are telling us about the maximize, minimize and restore button. Minimize, maximize and close button. ठीक है, these buttons. We have already used these buttons in different programs. Let us see what are their use. These three buttons are the almost every window that opens in a window-based platform. Window-based platform में जितने भी programs open होते हैं, ये थ्री बटन्स आपको वहां पे जरूर मिलेंगे. ये थ्री बटन्स आपको उधर उस प्रोग्राम पे क्या होंगे, जरूर मिलेंगे. Okay, whether it is WordPad, whether it is Excel or Microsoft Excel or Microsoft logo, हर प्रोग्राम में आपको ये थ्री बटन्स तो जरूर ही मिलेंगे. They are on the Mac window as well as, but they are circle instead of square. अच्छा, Mac window में भी, Mac OS में भी वो हमें दिखते हैं, बट वो स्क्वायर, जैसे यहाँ पे देखो these are the square, वहां पे वो कैसे होते हैं, सर्कल होते हैं. ठीक है, Mac OS में क्या होता है, वो सर्कल होते हैं. Now, when you click the minimize button, the programs become a button on the window taskbar located at the bottom. जैसे ही हम this की, जैसे ही हम minimize button पे प्रेस करते हैं, so what happen, जो हमारी स्क्रीन पे प्रोग्राम रहता है वो नीचे टास्क बार में क्या बन जाता है, एक स्क्वायर बटन बन जाता है. एंड यू कैन ओपन इट जस्ट बाय टैपिंग योर कर्सर हियर. जस्ट बाय टैपिंग योर कर्सर हियर यू विल बी एबल टू ओपन इट. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे इन्होंने के बहुत अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया है. टास्क बार लिया है और उस पर अलग अलग से ये प्रोग्राम दिखा रही है, सारे मिनिमाइज प्रोग्राम है. तो दिस हैपन व्हेन यू विल मिनिमाइज योर प्रोग्राम. जैसे ही आप अपने प्रोग्राम को मिनिमाइज करते हो, सो व्हाट हैपन, the moment you minimize your program, the moment you will minimize your program, you will be able to get them in taskbar. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट, टास्क बार में वो क्या हो जाते हैं, एक प्रोग्राम बन के वो हमारे स्क्रीन पे आ जाते हैं। ओके नाउ, सो इफ यू हैव मल्टीपल, so if you have the multiple files from the same program open, you will need to select the one you want to restore to active mode. ठीक है, so if you have multiple file, अगर आपका एक ही प्रोग्राम की मल्टीपल फाइल है तो you have to select your desired program. Okay, now next button is maximize or restore button. Next button is what, either you can maximize it or you can restore it. When you click the maximize restore button, the program assumes the same shapes and size it was before you minimized it, or the program window will fill the screen. ठीक है, यहाँ से क्या होता है, with the help of this key what happen, your program या तो वो maximize हो जाएगा या तो restore होके पूरी screen की size वो capture कर लेगा. And the close button, minimize से क्या हुआ, when we have minimized the buttons, when we have pressed the minimize button तो वो छोटा सा नीचे task bar पे बन के आ गया था. Now if we will press the restore और maximize button वो पूरी screen को ले रहा है, and when we will close it so that program will get closed. Okay, so when you click the close button, what happened, when you will click the close button, the program will ask you if you want to save the changes, if you have made any changes. Once you have responded to this question, the program will close. Okay, now next area that they have encircled is, the next area that they have outlined is this quick access toolbar area. Okay, so the area outlined here is what is quick access toolbar. Okay, so what are the mostly common used command in quick access toolbar? That is save, undo and repeat. So the most commonly used command here is save, undo and repeat. So you will get all these three. देखो यहाँ पे you will get save, undo and redo command here in the Microsoft Word quick access toolbar में आपको मिल जाएगा save, undo and redo command. ठीक है, save, undo and redo command you will get here in Microsoft Word. Quick access toolbar में, Microsoft Word के quick access toolbar में you will get this save, undo and redo command. Okay. Now one most important thing is here, that is Microsoft Office 2007 and 2010 use what is referred to as the ribbon interface. They use ribbon interface. The area outlined in the red comprises the ribbon. ठीक है, ये जो red में area इन्होंने cover किया है, this is what, this whole area is what, this whole area is referred to as ribbon. इसे क्या बोल रहे हैं, इसे बोलते हैं ribbon. इसे, this is known as the ribbon interface. Okay, the ribbon we are going to the ribbons we are going to go over today are the default ribbon. Ribbon means predefined ribbon, those ribbons that is there in Microsoft Word. Let us see about these ribbons. Okay, so first of all, before moving toward the ribbon, they are telling us about, before moving toward the ribbon, they are telling us about the tabs. They are going to tell us about the tabs. The tabs that are here in Microsoft Word document is File tab, Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, References, Mailing, Review and View. What are the tabs that are here in the Microsoft Word? File tab, Home tab, Insert, Page Layout, Reference, Mailing, Review and View. ठीक है, Each tab has several group attached to it. सारे टैब में क्या होते हैं, कुछ ग्रुप्स होते हैं उससे अटैच, जो कि उसके रिलेटेड क्या करते हैं, वर्क करते हैं। ओके, now so the first tab that they are going to tell us about is file tab. The first tab they are going to tell us is file tab. So the file tab menu contains the command most commonly associated with the file. जो कमांड फाइल से सबसे ज्यादा एसोसिएटेड होते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सेविंग अ फाइल, है ना, किसी फाइल को क्या करना, सेव करना, दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग, फाइल को सेव करना। नेक्स्ट इज प्रिंट करना, प्रिंटिंग अ फाइल। दीज आर व्हाट, these are some of the most common use, these are the some of the most commonly used command associated with फाइल, ठीक है, डॉक्यूमेंट से। तो देखो यहाँ पे यू कैन सी फाइल टैब में व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी आर हियर, दिस आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू। सेव, सेव एज, ओपन, क्लोज, इंफॉर्मेशन, रिसेंट, न्यू, प्रिंट, सेव एंड सेंड, हेल्प, okay, and exit. These all are the command that is there in the file tab. These all are the command that is available here in the file tab. File tab में ये सारी information क्या है, available है। Okay, let us move ahead. Next is what the home tab. The home tab groups contain the command most commonly associated with the formatting and editing of the text. The home tab group contain the command most commonly associated with the formatting and editing of the text. टेक्स्ट को एडिट करने और उनको फॉर्मेट करने के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कीज हमें मिलती है होम टैब में। जैसे देखो फॉन्ट को चेंज कर सकते हैं, वी कैन चेंज द पैराग्राफ, वी कैन चेंज द स्टाइल ऑफ आवर डॉक्यूमेंट। सो दीज ऑल आर द चेंजेस, these all are the changes that we get here in Microsoft Word under the home tab. Home tab में we get all these things, है ना। अच्छा ठीक है, now after this let us see the next thing. Okay, so first is what, clipboard. Here you can see clipboard. अब क्लिपबोर्ड में हमारे पास कौन कौन से ऑप्शंस होते हैं, क्लिपबोर्ड में वी गेट ऑप्शंस लाइक फॉर्मेट, पेंटर, कॉपी, कट, पेस्ट, okay, these are the options that are available there in clipboard. clipboard में ये सारे options क्या होते हैं, available होते हैं। Next is what, after the clipboard, next is font group. Okay, next is what, font group. After font group, paragraph group, then style, and then editing. After the style, next is what, editing. So under the home tab you will get clipboard, font, paragraph, style and editing. Okay, now let us move ahead. Now next is what? Insert tab. अब भाई अब चांस आता है किसका? Insert tab का. So what are the things that are available here in Insert tab? The Insert tab groups contain the command most commonly associated with adding something to the document. These are related to the insertion of something in the document. Like you can insert pictures, और you can insert the table links. तो जब हमें अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में कोई चीज इंसर्ट करनी होती है, जब हमें अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में कोई सी भी चीज इंसर्ट करनी होती है, तो फॉर दैट वी यूज दिस insert tab. First is pages. So what? First thing that you can add in your document is pages. After the pages, पेज ऐड कर सकते हैं. कैसे पेज? We can add the cover page, blank page and page break. Next is tables. टेबल्स हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. मैंने आपको करके दिखाया भी है ऐड टेबल, कैसे हम टेबल ऐड कर सकते हैं, है ना. मैम ने आपको टेबल ऐड करके डॉक्यूमेंट में शो भी किया है. आफ्टर द टेबल नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट? इलिस्ट्रेशन. इलिस्ट्रेशन हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. इलिस्ट्रेशन मीन्स व्हाट? वी कैन ऐड picture, clip art, shape, smart art, chart, screenshots. These are the things that we can add here. Now, after the illustration, next thing that is here is links. So what we can do? We can add the links also. Okay. Then header and footer, text and symbols. What happens? What happens? Sometime we do need to enter the symbol. ठीक है, हमें क्या होता है, कभी कभी जरूरत होती है सिंबल ऐड करने की. अपने डॉक्यूमेंट में कभी कभी हमें जरूरत होता है कि हम सिंबल ऐड करें, लाइक रुपीज साइन, पैसा साइन. Okay, so for that we can use this insert tab option. Now next is page layout. Page layout means हमारा पेज कैसा रहेगा. While making the document हमारा पेज कैसा रहेगा, that depends on page layout tab. The page layout group contains the commands most commonly associated with the setting that would affect the entire page or document. It will affect the entire page or document. Okay, let us see what are the things that we are here. Theme. So on the basis of theme, what happened, we can change the appearance of our page layout. Like we can change the color, font effect. Page setup, we can set the margin, orientation, size, column. These all are the things that we can set. Margin, orientation, size and column. Page background, we can change the color, we can add the watermark, we can add the page border. Okay, so page background means how our page will appear. So what are the things that we can add? We can add the watermark, page color, page border, page background. Okay. Next we can do the spacing and indenting. And next is arrange. We can arrange the page, that is we can position our page, we can wrap the text around the picture, we can bring forward any picture or any image, we can send it backward, selection pane, align it. So there are lots of things that we can do with the help of page layout option. Now next is reference. Reference means with the help of whom we have prepared our document. Like we are having here table of content. Okay, first is what we are having here. Table of content. Then footnotes, bibliography, caption, index, and table of authority. These all are the things that we are here in the reference group. So the reference group contains the command most commonly associated with writing a research paper. So these commands are useful when someone is writing the research paper, essay, term paper, or similarly formal document. That means this tab, that is reference tab, is used when reference tab is used when what we are doing, when we have to write, when we have to prepare some formal document. So in that scene we need a reference group. Okay, next is mailing. So mailing means suppose you have prepared a document. Now what? After preparing the document, what next? You want to send it to someone. So what you will do? You will mail your document. Okay. What you will do? You will mail your document. Next is start mail merge. Next is what? Start mail merge. Write and insert field, preview result, and finish. So now mailing tab group contains the command most commonly associated with the document and files created for mass mailing. Suppose you want to mail this document to a number of people, so their mailing tab will help you. Next is what? Review. Review means what? फिर से देखना, किसी डॉक्यूमेंट को क्या करना, फिर से देखना. For example, proofing. Proofing means what? In proofing we see स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट, रिसर्च, थिसारस, वर्ड काउंट. मतलब हम ये देखते हैं कि हमारी वर्ड लिमिट कितनी है, कितने वर्ड में हमें लिखना था, दैट वी कैन गेट. थिसारस, फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन गेट द synonym and antonyms of the word. Next is spelling and grammar. We can also check spelling and grammar. And yes, next is what? Language. You can set the desired language for your program, I mean for your document. Comment, you can add comment if you want to add some special note, that you can do. Then tracking, changes, compare, and protect. See, protect mein one option that I am getting is restrict editing. That means if you will restrict it from editing, no one else can edit this document. Once you will restrict the editing, no one else will be able to edit the document. Now the final is view option. Okay, so kids, this is it for today, and now we will meet in our next class. Hello kids, welcome back to your computer class. So kids, Today we are going to see, today we are going to give a quick recall of the things that we have studied in Microsoft Word. We will read about its tab, its ribbons and different commands in it. Okay, so let us start.